Hey everybody, this is Rajiv with Blue Flag Security. Today we're going to do a quick overview of the Snyk-Blueflag integration. To get started, you're going to want to create a new service account and give that service account an org collaborator role. Once that is done, you can copy your API token. You can close and hide that token. You're not going to want to see that again. You can go over to your console, go over to your settings, connectors, click on the connect Snyk, and then you can insert that API token and hit connect. And while that's running, we're going to go and talk about the API calls we're doing to bring Snyk data into the Blue Flag environment. So we're really focusing for most customers on two API calls. First and foremost, we're calling the get organization and get org ID. So we want to access the list of accessible organizations within the Snyk environment, and then get issues by org ID. We want to sort the issues that you're now analyzing through the lens of the Snyk org. Once we do that, we're actually in our normalization process, we are running each issue against the metadata from your code repository that you have previously hooked up in your Blue Flag instance. And from there, we are able to give the identity-centric analysis of each individual package, who brought it in, where, when, and so on, how far it's propagated throughout the network. And we can show that in just a second. For Snyk enterprise customers, however, we can further do that analysis with SAST and infrastructure as code settings. Those APIs are only available to enterprise Snyk customers. So what does this look like once we're actually in the console? Well, let's take a look. So we're going to isolate one package. We're going to take a look at immer. We can actually see the importer, the date and time of import. You can see the number of instances, the level of vulnerability, as well as the fixed version. This information can be sourced from Snyk itself. And then further, what we were able to do with Blue Flag is actually provide a dependency map. So we can see just how far the package is propagated throughout the network without the code repositories. And, with, parent nested packages, this visibility becomes really useful when going through a remediation sequence. When it comes to identity analysis with a package, we're further looking at the open source community and the identity of the contributors who have participated in building the package. We can look at their profile age, experience, security record, and even have a link to their profile on GitHub itself to determine if this is an individual we want within our enterprise network. Furthermore, if you are an enterprise customer of Snyk and you have access to those IAC or SAST APIs, we will be able to do that scan for you here and associate it with a user, as well as level of severity, and of course the supporting data for each of these scans, SAST as well. And independent of that, we also are able to scan for secret leakage and secret leakage detection, both providing links to the files, the actual users responsible for the leak, as well as the repos associated with that leak. So that was a quick overview of our Snyk Blue Flag integration. Hope this was helpful. Reach out to us at info@blueflagsecurity.com for any further questions. Thank you.